Rinedata is a high-performance boutique consultancy which provides a focused range of consulting services. We're driven by a single goal: to deliver quality solutions through partnership with our clients. We help them achieve a faster return on their performance management and business intelligence investments. Our portfolio of services include performance management and business intelligence education, system, process and risk audit, defining business requirements, business case generation, vendor analysis and product evaluation, solution and architecture design, project and resource management, solution implementation, training, and finally, ongoing support and maintenance.
The Rinedata consultants have been in the market for a long time. They're known for what they do. I think they're very much trusted as well.
Yeah, I worked with Rinedata many years ago, and it was quite reassuring and comforting to know that we had the expertise of Rinedata on hand.
And I think that Rinedata has built over a period of 20 years a tremendous experience of all different products on the market, which I think is a big advantage compared to its own competitors.
What we liked about Rinedata was their speed in understanding what we were trying to achieve.
We were impressed by the fact that they immediately picked up where the problems had arisen and could see a path through to our final goal, basically.
They actually know the product that they're working with very well. So when we've been asking them questions about potentially advancing our system, they provided very helpful and practical advice.
The knowledge that Rinedata have of the general marketplace has been excellent. They don't ally themselves to any particular product, and therefore they're giving impartial advice.
Their independence offers clients an ability to really deliver a CPM solution that fits their organisation.
As we've kind of evolved what we need, they've been very quick to respond to that, which has been very helpful.
Organisations of all sizes, private and public sector, truly trust Rinedata with their CPM issues, whether it's strategy or whether it's actually delivering the software.
There have been times when we've had 3 consultants full-time working for a week or 2 weeks on the project, and sometimes when we've only needed 1.
We've called them up and needed help at a very short notice. They've made themselves available to us, even though their specific circumstances might not have been conducive to doing that. They've made that extra effort, which has been very helpful.
There have been times when we wanted lots of help and times when we wanted to back off a little bit and understand things for ourselves, and they've been really helpful in being flexible and accommodating to our needs.
We had a complex project, and Rinedata allocated resources as a kind of an expert for each of the sub-projects, and that helped us greatly because they became more expert in that particular aspect, could go deeper into the workings and into designing something that met our requirements.
Rinedata have been particularly helpful in having the same personnel or same group of personnel there throughout the whole process.
Rinedata were innovative in trying to first of all understand our needs properly and coming up with the best solution for us, and bringing in as many ideas and thoughts that then helped us to develop the end solution.
Basically, the main difference with Rinedata, they were very responsive to our needs.
They seem to care and they want to see the client succeed as well as the project.
They've been extremely helpful in terms of not necessarily being on one specific task, but being a reference point for going back to time and again, even if you've only got a general question.
I've found them to be very helpful, very professional, and most of all, I think, very personable.
Using consultants, you're heavily reliant on their time and expertise up front, but as owners of your project, you want to take back control of that at some point. And it's a partnership with Rinedata. It enables you to retain that control over a period of time so that when they leave, you've still got a product that you understand they can work with.
Rinedata has really worked in partnership with us throughout the whole project. So, for instance, we may have a tendency to want to do one thing, but Rinedata, even though that may be the easiest thing for them to do and go along with what we, the client, want, have always come up and said, well, are you sure you want to do that? There's maybe a better way, try thinking about this.
I feel Rinedata have been able to follow the partnership ethos by, again, keeping a close contact with us as a client and listening to us and what our requirements are.
They see themselves as a partner with the product that they're supplying, and they feel responsible for the product when you're actually using it.
They're very professional, very thorough about what they do, and they're keen for success as much as you are.
The quintessential nature of Rinedata is that we view our clients as business partners. And in doing so, we foster an atmosphere of mutual trust, understanding, respect and support.
My experiences of Rinedata have been one of immense professionalism.
Rinedata services up in a very high level. They are very proactive in trying to point us in the right direction.
In terms of time, we're actually successfully launched about a month before we had planned to. It was a fantastic and successful implementation.
Every consultant that I've worked with has been very easy to get on with, very knowledgeable and understands your business requirements.
And I'm confident in my ability to recommend Rinedata as a provider of consultancy services.
Take the next step. Contact us and see how we can help you get the most from your performance management investment.